Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is Face ID not working on your iPhone? Maybe your iPhone suddenly can't recognize your face, Face ID fails to unlock the device, or you see the message Face ID not available. Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you several quick fixes that can get Face ID working again on your iPhone in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first and simplest fix is to clean the TrueDepth camera system. Face ID relies on sensors located at the top of your iPhone inside the notch or the dynamic island. If this area is covered with dust, fingerprints, or even a smudge, Face ID may fail to detect your face properly. Use a soft microfiber cloth and gently wipe the top of your screen. Also make sure your case or screen protector is not blocking the sensors. Next, make sure Face ID is actually enabled. Open Settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode and enter your device's passcode. Here, check that Face ID is enabled for things like iPhone Unlock, App Store and iTunes, Apple Pay, password autofill. If these toggles are off, turn them on and test Face ID again. Face ID can also fail if your face is partially blocked. Items like sunglasses, masks, hats, or even holding the phone too close to your face can prevent proper scanning. Try holding your iPhone about 10 to 20 inches away from your face and make sure your eyes, nose, and mouth are clearly visible. Sometimes Face ID stops working due to a temporary software glitch. You can simply restart your iPhone to fix this issue. To do this, press and hold the side button and volume up or down buttons, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn the device back on, then test Face ID again. If Face ID still isn't working, try resetting it. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Face ID and Passcode, and then tap on Reset Face ID. After that, select Setup Face ID and scan your face again. Setting up a fresh Face ID profile often fixes recognition issues. Software bugs can also cause Face ID problems. Open Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Install any available iOS updates. Apple frequently fixes bugs related to Face ID and system performance. After updating your iPhone to the latest version, try using Face ID again. Another helpful fix is resetting all settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi, display settings, and system preferences that might be interfering with your Face ID. If you see the message Face ID not available all the time, the TrueDepth camera system may have a hardware problem. In that case, your best option is to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider. These are some of the best ways to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.